This DAVCO heavy-duty clear vinyl tubing offers a long 100-foot run that is ideal for both home and industrial setups where a continuous line is needed. The half-inch inner diameter and reinforced braided construction give it impressive pressure handling for water, air, and many common fluids without ballooning or collapsing. Despite the thick walls and high strength, the hose stays flexible, resists kinking, and coils easily, which makes installation and storage much less frustrating. The smooth interior and exterior surfaces help maintain steady flow, reduce buildup, and make the tubing simple to flush and keep clean over time. Made from non-toxic, bisphenol A-free polyvinyl chloride, it is a reassuring choice for applications like aquarium water lines and other contact with pets or plants. Its durability, chemical and weather resistance, and broad compatibility with tools and equipment make this tubing a versatile workhorse for workshops, gardens, and light industrial use.